Today, we're addressing a frustrating issue: Instagram story music not available in your region or simply not working. If you're missing out on that catchy background music for your stories, don't worry, we've got some solutions. So let's get started. First, let's tackle the most common reasons why you might be facing this issue and how to fix it. First, check your region settings. Open Settings, scroll down and tap on General, tap on Language and Region. Make sure your region is correctly set to where you are currently located. Sometimes the wrong region can affect app functionalities. Next step is to update your Instagram app. Open the App Store, type Instagram in the search bar. If there's an update button next to Instagram, tap it to install the latest version. Updates often include bug fixes and new features. Next step is to clear Instagram cache. That is simply used for Android users. Open Settings, tap on Apps or Application Manager, scroll down and select Instagram. Tap on Storage and then clear cache. This won't delete your data but can resolve minor glitches. For iPhone users, you need to simply uninstall the app and simply reinstall it again. You can also install a VPN app. Search for a VPN app like NordVPN or ExpressVPN in the App Store or Google Play Store. Choose a server from a region where Instagram music is available and then connect. And there you go. These steps will help you fix the Instagram story music issue.